Citizen TV, the citizen power.
A release statement way after Richard Nekano court to say Attorney General tatano or for citizen own catro and to ato forcing so. Now Attorney General statement to release here the baby and as some or say the Republic has never required or desired the cooperation of any of the accused persons in the matter in which it has already succeeded in establishing a prima facie case against all accused persons. Neither the Attorney General, neither the Attorney General nor any officer from the office of the Attorney General has approached any of the accused persons with the view to obtaining evidence from them. Attorney General statement, or didn't say Sinibo, say a year or no Attorney General, and I say deputies, any or Attorney General office, or ka esimupi. Actually, Ghana for say, Asama Richard Kano Court, Obwa, or no Attorney General, and not say any office, colleagues, or more Attorney General's office, or be anywhere, or the accused, no creating commoda, or be anywhere, was sending text message, Akoma accuse any of them, or be anywhere, what was accused, say, more information, or use against the Atoforcing. Attorney General, on one Kasana, no Asama, or catch the Ghana. These are facts, and these are statements coming from Attorney General Godfred. Now, this is what happened. Before Richard Jakpa ebe release the audio, ama NDC for say omonfanko kire Ghana for say asema oka no Godfred trufo. Godfred Attorney General is a criminal, he's a liar no. Na MPP for start echo radio ni TV so. In fact, last weekend, you say Sami Jemfi ebe tro bibi on Facebook say, the media no, the MPP media no, Attorney General no agada omo, MPP for agada omo say, omo nko kan sem mintum fremem, say asema Richard Jakpa akano court no, tro, na Attorney General ne de onye boni bia. Yete ya, na MPP for obi etisana na bi jimie adokoro no, okasa onwene no, obetena radio so keka nsem bebre sa time no. Na the audio Richard Jakpa eka so be release no nyen release ye na muntie na bi asema ko kan no radio so.
Attorney General has never messages on Attorney General phone so Japano sending a message, and this was way back. Sending message say a person share privately, and none of the messages I was sending Attorney General reply even one, not even one. Attorney General would not have met this man anywhere. Say go nim or not there innocently or call Supreme Court Judge Fia Kwakosan. And also a court class is no longer going to engage in a lawyer.
So this is Nana B. Muntien ye, or call radio sono, or say or Naga said ni I can messages Attorney General Godfred phone so. Now some message, so he's confirming say there's been a communication which is not supposed to be done between Attorney General and the accused. It's Nana B no ma what say. Emrana mekan say obi wo court na the lawyer eka one was Attorney General and lawyer ne kasa no eni so ne sa accused ne kasa na bi me ati ase say ono de nani o se ono na kan wa Attorney General phone so ehun said there has been a phone conversation chat na bi say the ohun ye no Attorney General and responded to Richard Jakpa. According must see Godfred message accused the trouble Godfred did not respond to even one of the messages. Now Nana B as I kasa radio suno or see Godfred de na okwa kosra Yoni Kulendi, a Supreme Court judge onimum poda se obekwa koto accused number 3 no ho Richard Jakpa no Yoni Kulendi fie. These are 3 factual statements from NPP party. These are conversations between Attorney General and Richard Jakpa, the 3rd accused. And these are some of the evidence the NDC put out today. As you can see, voice call on the 23rd of November 2023, 1 minute voice call from Richard to Godfred. Bro, the case is adjourned to next week, Thursday. The man is still on admission fighting for his dear life. Attorney General responded and said, okay, thanks. There's a communication there. Attorney General has gone against the law. The moment Attorney General responded to the 3rd accused, it does not matter what they talked about, but whatever they talked about is indirectly or directly linked to the story. It means the Attorney General has committed a crime. Mutie na bi. Osi wakɔhwɛ Attorney General phone so Gani Fidi Gadochi. Where who any correspondence from the Attorney General. The Attorney General never replied. The accused person. But this is a WhatsApp chat which shows say Attorney General Godfred and the third accused that he is prosecuting. They sat on phone without the knowledge of the third accused lawyer for 26 minutes, almost half an hour. What were they talking about? The call you are seeing, the 26-minute call, no, it was Godfred who called the accused though. It wasn't the accused who called Godfred Godfred that did the phone, Richard Jakpa. In this social top now, lawyer Godfred on a fresh call no. There's also another conversation from Godfred and any head accused. 3 conversations on the 16th of February 2022. Hope to hear favorably from you. This is 2022. Until all the way back in 2022-2023, now Attorney General was calling accused all the way 2022, all the way 2024, or the whole from every night without the consent of their lawyers. I will arrange through your brother. Thanks. Hope to hear favorably from you, say. And then Godfred responded by saying that he will arrange. When somebody say I will arrange, it means ono na ebe dien ebebo kwan na to ono na ebe kire bebi ebe hia bebi ebe tena ntina na bi ka kire wo say Godfred ekok Yoni Kulendi of Efie no na Attorney General nima monka kire na bi say bebi a obeda no musuo bia nsuo no nkuno because o twantro because chat no is showing clearly say Godfred is the person who was arranging or who arranged some meeting no. And for the third accused to go to Yoni Kulendi's house, Yoni Kulendi ni fie enya zoo, Yoni Kulendi ni fie enya public park, you need permission to come there. You need a reason to go there. So for the third accused to go there, for Godfred to also go there at the same time, there should be an arrangement. Meaning Godfred had arranged for them. Ekasa court no. He did not mention Yoni Kulendi, a Supreme Court judge's name. He didn't do that. He did not even go into the specifics. Netia Adiachiana Paul Adom eba TV so. And Paul Adom beka chire mene will say, oh, Judge na Richard Jakpa can answer na one body na Yoni Kulendi. In Sambia na ye nimuno Paul Adom sa drug addict ya or no and a kofa sansam ne bae. Now muntie this junkie. Muntie no. I want you to people to know Sanko Foi, Omuna Debi almost say Ghana no, and they don't deserve to live around us. A credit team no, Sanko Siafo the best. Now listen to Paul Adom.
So there's talk about a judge that, according to the story that Sami Jefi told Joy FM, that where did he meet him? He met him in a judge's house. This is the conversation that they had. This is it. This is the story. The judge in question is his great lordship, the most respected Justice Yoni Kulendi. And what is wrong with Godfred goes to Justice Yoni Kulendi to meet with Jakpa and tells him what he has to tell him. Jakpa is the one asking for meetings. Jakpa is the one writing plea bargaining requests to the Attorney General. Jakpa is the one sending the Attorney General text. Now, if they want, the text that Jakpa sent to the Attorney General, do they want us to publish it? It is coming. If Sami Jefi comes on Tuesday, we will be here on Tuesday night. We will publish the text. Jakpa, the text you sent to Attorney General, we will put it on TV. They've told me that even my own I shouldn't put it. This one will put it on. The text you were texting the Attorney General, the things you were telling him, begging that you want the matter, begging, we will publish it. This propaganda should be killed in this country. You are running elections, run elections. Do your campaign. Deal with politicians. Stop the lies. The propaganda, the lies, every time they are lying, propaganda. That's why we are here. We will not allow it. Whether it's NDC or MPP, we will not allow it. There are some culprits with propaganda. Sami Jefi is one of them. He's the culprit of propaganda. Everything has to be sugar-coated and look like everything he says is to get people to be angry with somebody. That's all their life. Alhaji Muhammad Dubaumia.
This is where the problem is. So we didn't know until this drug addict, this buffoon who cannot even sleep with his wife in the same bed, this child liquor, this dirty riffraff who does drugs at Asase FM premises. He came on TV. Remember, this guy could not pass his law exams. Odia or chimna and nimu rough from no the singing brown because of the hard drugs he does. No, he could not even pass his law exam. Sami Jefi wrote it once and passed. These are filthy, dirty individuals with no credibility, foolish old men pretending to be young boys. So we didn't know anything until Jimmy Weah, Wako Ghana Airport, and golden tree asem, golden tree, make us a Christmas, golden tree, he is the one who came to tell us that Yoni Kulendi was the person who basically hosted the Attorney General and Jakpa. We didn't know until this fool. And to date, he has not published the text messages. But the NDC, Samija and Fidems, they have published text messages, which at the end of the day, we are still waiting for the Attorney General Godfred to say it wasn't his. Now, in Jesia, how they lied to me. Godfred who buys judges. Godfred who basically is from a Kufuor's law firm. Remember, Yoni Kulendi is also from a Kufuor's law firm. Alester Matthias, Gold for Oil. A scandal now, Al Jazeera release, they spoke about Yoni Kulendi, who today is a Supreme Court judge. Yoni Kulendi too practiced at Ekufuado's father's law firm. So you need to understand, Godfred Yoni Kulendi, they are what? They are students of Ekufuado's law firm. It is our Godfred Dia and Godfred using the law, weaponizing the law, using the law to intimidate and kill people and falsely prosecuting people. No, it is something that they have been doing for years. And then last week, now my question will say, Sankofuwe, they are Ekufuado's products. Especially Godfred he started his practice from Ekufuado, Prempe and Co. And that is the place in Ghana. Ope baby, I say, Anka Ope law drug cartel, law mu cartel, law ope obia only certificate, obia wire drug da, obia wire kromfua, wa practice law in Ghana from any firm go. Because every lawyer that comes from that place has some negative story about them. And Godfred is a typical example of some of the cartels, the disease, the disgrace when it comes to Ghana law, people who practice law in Ghana. A cropa pebianka Godfred and Dana Drinka president a release statement and can resign. A cropa pebianka Ghana law, Ghana Bar Association come release a statement disassociating themselves from Godfred but the leadership are foolish idiots. They think that position is a political position. A chroma sang campaign 40 years on Kumunyansa and the General Legal Council, they have released a statement that Attorney General should step aside and that he should be investigated. But this is the situation we are here. We are seeing political insect, dirty riffraff sitting on radio and TV defending what is indefensible. Nobody in their right senses will defend a criminal Attorney General. What we are seeing, I remember, time I'm in Kennedy Japan case waha, one Ghanaian who is still pursuing Kennedy Japan. Time I call court, that Ghanaian, a politician called me and said, Kennedy Japan, for some reason, will do POB America. And that person wants to do what? File a case, add mine to it, and sue Kennedy Japan. Sani pano efa chire ene lawyer Fred me. And I'm a catcher me lawyer. The first thing my lawyer said, nobody should contact me without contacting her. When I called my lawyer, I said, this person is a Ghanaian. This person also comes here. He has a case against Kennedy Japan. The person wants to talk to you. My lawyer was like straight and emphatic. Kevin, do not speak to anybody. If anybody needs anything, send my card to me, to the person to call me. Ever since that time, I never had a conversation with anybody. All the things were directed to my lawyer. My lawyer told the day I nipped from a lawyer. My lawyer recorded the time, the second, exact time of Freya day or recorded conversation or start typing Brem said, this is the conversation I had with this person. So if the court want to have records, these are the things I've done. And that is what lawyers do. My lawyer was angry that why did I even respond to the person and that the person was supposed to come directly to her. That is what professionalism is. That is people, or these are people who know their job.
Citizen TV, the citizen power.